So if you're looking for a nice compact tent that you can use out at the beach, the lake, maybe by the pool like I have here, or any outdoor activities, this is definitely worth looking at. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that it comes with. We're going to put this together and then go over the features. So I really do appreciate the brand send this to me so I can give you my honest opinion of this. Now it does come with two different types of stakes. We've got 4 plastic ones or 4 metal ones. You just pick the ones you need to depending on the hardness of the ground. We also have our flexible rods that are going to hold the tent together. We've also got some rope to go ahead and tie it down. Of course, depends on how windy it is and how sturdy you want it to be. And then we've also got our tent itself in here. It does come with a nice compact bag, which does have a carrying handle. So once you have your tent all laid out, you're just going to unfold these rods and they just all connect together. Then we're going to take our rods and just going to feed it through these slots. Now as you feed the rod through here, what you're going to do is just put it here in the very bottom, this little foot here, and that's going to hold the tension. Then what we're going to do is take the 2 rods and just tie it up top. If you decide to use stakes, the stakes are going to go in there. Also, if you didn't want to use the stakes, or you did, either way, it does have these little bags here. You can fill it with sand or any type of weights to make sure it's secure just in case it's windy. Now this is pretty easy to install. It only took me right around 5 minutes to do, and it's really a good size. Inside it's 55 inches tall, it's 94.5 inches wide, and 65 inches deep. So it's got 3 windows, and they're pretty large too, and we've also got some covers that we can unroll and tie up and get out of the way, or if you want, using Velcro, you can roll them up and make sure they're nice and covered. So you can see here the opening is actually pretty large, and if you want to, you can go ahead and zipper up the front too. Now the material is actually lightweight polyester. This is the same material that's used in umbrellas, jackets, and coats, and it's also UPF 50. That just means it blocks 98% of the UV rays. Now on the inside up at the ceiling, we do have a hook. That way you can easily hang off a fan or a light too. So what I've done is I've just taken my little camping chair, I put it in here, just kind of give you an idea of the size that's in here. I still have probably 12 to 18 inches above my head, so there's plenty of room here. So that way when I have my fan up here, it's blowing on me, keeping it nice and cool, and it's keeping the sun off me, which is really important. That's why I think this is great to take out to the pool, lakes, beach. If you're gonna watch your kids' soccer games, something like that, I mean, you can stay in here and keep the sun off you and stay nice and cool. Overall, this is a great tent. It's easy to set up, take down, only took 5 minutes to do, and it's got plenty of space inside here. Hope you found this review helpful.